Hi guys, it's Stu from Project Marlin. It's nothing to do with the Marlin or the channel today really. Beautiful sunny day. It's actually the first day of our second proper lockdown in the UK. And I'm planning on uploading this tonight, so hopefully you'll see it. It's Thursday the 5th. It's bonfire night. Obviously no bonfires this year, no fireworks, which is a bit of a shame. I know a lot of people don't like it, but there we go. Basically it's to do with the situation we're in at the moment. I want to speak to you about. It's people's mental health suffering at the moment. I know that. People's health is suffering at the moment. There's people I know that have been ill, had this coronavirus rubbish, well, I say rubbish, the coronavirus, they've come out over the other side. The treatment's been really harsh, and months down the line they're still suffering. They're still not right, they're still in a real mess. It is a type of flu, we all know it's a type of flu, and there's lots of people out there going, oh, it's just flu, get over it, more people die of flu. Yeah, but flu doesn't fuck you up for months on end. And be sensible about it. Like, you might not be in an at-risk category. I'm not really in that risk category, but loved ones are. So be sensible about this, guys. Please follow the rules. The only way we've got of ever getting any of these restrictions lifted is by trying to get on top of it. And the best advice is coming from, I hate to say it, the government at the moment, and I usually think their advice is not worth looking at, but we've got to do something. But regardless of that, the people that are stuck inside that are really struggling, they can't go out and do the things they want to do. My activities, although this year I haven't really done any of my other activities away from the project or work or stuff around the house, have been curtailed massively, and I was hoping in the next month or two to actually get back into it, but I can't. It's all been stopped. But yeah, check on your mates. Check on your mates. Ask them how they are. Listen to them. Talk to them. If you're stuck and you're watching YouTube videos and it's the only interaction you get, write in the comments. Write in my comments. Go to like some of the other channels. There's communities in those comments and in the channels, and there's social media. You're welcome on my Facebook page, on the Marlin Facebook page, the Marlin group. There's other guys. I've been watching some of Lord Mack's videos recently, and he's very much about it's a community. Like, get involved with his community. They all seem really nice guys. Comment on his videos. If you put something sensible on, you might get a reply back. Same with me. You'll get a reply back. If you just don't take everything on yourself. Look after yourself. Look after the people around you. And for God's sake, guys and girls, stay safe. And we'll see you soon.